The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo is built to help you capture your adventures with clarity, stability, and confidence. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Its advanced 1/1.3-inch sensor and 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second deliver crisp detail, smooth slow motion, and reliable low-light performance, making it an excellent choice for sports, travel, and vlogging. Whether you're filming fast action, underwater scenes, or simple everyday moments, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is ready for any environment. Dual OLED touchscreens make framing easy from either side, especially for vloggers who need quick control on the go. The powerful stabilization system keeps footage steady even during running, cycling, or high-movement activities. With smart subject tracking, the camera keeps you in focus automatically, helping you capture clean, stable, and professional-looking videos without complicated setups. The camera is waterproof right out of the box, built to handle rain, splashes, and underwater shooting without extra housing. Its tough design and long-lasting battery make it dependable for full-day adventures. Support for external microphones and a wide range of mounts also makes it flexible enough for helmets, handlebars, backpacks, and tripods. Compact, durable, and easy to use, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is made for creators who want high-quality results in any situation. It offers sharp 4K video, smooth stabilization, and simple controls, all in a lightweight body. If you want a reliable action camera for travel, sports, or everyday storytelling, this is a solid choice. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.